Good morning! For today's video, we're going to feature these beautiful flowers here in Wascana Park. In front of Legislative Building. Here in Regina, Saskatchewan. This is only a quick video for you guys to enjoy, so I want to share the feelings of walking here every morning, not every morning, every time it's my day off. See? Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng yung format nila, meron silang team kung paano nila itatanim itong mga halaman. Tara, mag-enjoy tayo. Hope you enjoy my video today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Wandering Bicolana. And press the notification so lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video. Let's look back again. We're on halfway. See, beautiful. Look at that. Ayan, so meron pa siyang maintenance doon na nagme-maintain. Almost end of summer na. 2 weeks na lang is autumn na. So, kailangan natin tong video. By the way, today is August 19, 2025. I think last year I also featured this. Look, matutuyo na yung mga sunflower. Meron ng mga dry. Maybe tomorrow I can grab some, which is bawal. Which is bawal. Pag may nakakita. Beautiful sunflower, and this is lavender. I'm not sure what is this plant, but this one is petunia, and this is a grass. Pull natin yan, oh. Grass yan. Okay. Lots of different varieties of petunia, but this one is not petunia. Look at this. Look. So, ang shape niya is flower. Look at this. Oh, flower or star. Ayan. Beautiful. Look at this dahlia. Oh, amazing. Ito naman ay parang sinyas to, but it's not sinyas. Look. Maybe it's more look at the Española bandera. O may mga ano pa sila, nagme-maintain pa even it's already almost summer is going to end. Ayan, ganun nila kaalaga tong park. Different color of petunia. I know you know this. Okay. I forgot the name. And look. Look at that. It's like a crown. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, different color of petunia again. Peach yellow. Oh la la. So this is more beautiful. The color of this one. Look. Ang ganda, diba? Since naglilinis sila rito, ayan, meron pa silang tools na nagkakalat. They're doing this. We have also this one in the Philippines. Yeah. It's just, I don't know the name. Ayan, sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking video today. Si Walter Scott ang nag-design ng legislative building na to. Ayan, oh. Look at that. It's beautiful. Good morning. I just want to know, what is the name of this plant? What do you call this? Yeah.
Artichoke?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
artichoke.
actually a vegetable, yeah.
So yeah, we eat that, right?
Yeah.
It's a vegetable, yeah.
But it's very interesting, isn't it? Very
Yeah,
interesting.
it's like a crown.
Yeah.
So this is artichoke. Nice. Tamer is almost done. You're still doing that? And what about this one? What do you call this?
So Dusty Miller.
Huh?
Dusty Miller?
Dusty
Miller.
Miller. Oh, Dusty Miller. Thank you. It's beautiful. Dusty Miller. And this is petunia. Ayan, so naitanong natin sa mga caretaker the name of that. But this one, I'm shy. I don't wanna ask again. Ayan, ang sipag nila, diba? Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Petunia. Just, I don't know. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Wandering Bicolana, para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga new upload. Maraming salamat, and God bless us all. Have a nice one. Bye! Maraming salamat, and like, share, and subscribe. Love, love, love. Wandering Bicolana.